Hello, and welcome to Section 4, Sequence Types. We've laid the groundwork by covering single data values, the numbers and booleans, and now we're ready to move on to the first great challenge and huge asset of Python: collections of data. 1. What is a sequence? A sequence is a collection of items where each item is stored in a specific order, and each item can be accessed by its position or index. Think of a sequence like a train. Every car is connected in a line, and you can point to the first car, the second car, and so on. Unlike a single int or float, a sequence allows us to group related pieces of data together. 2. Types we will cover. In this large and critical section, we will learn the three most important built-in sequence types: strings, lists, and tuples. We'll also cover sets and the incredibly important dictionary, which is a mapping type but often taught alongside sequences. We'll start with strings. A string is simply a sequence of characters used to store text. We'll learn how to create them, access individual characters using slicing, and modify them using various string methods. Next, we'll move to the list. Lists are incredibly flexible and are used to store multiple items of potentially different data types, and they are fully modifiable. Finally, we'll study the tuple, which is similar to a list but has a crucial difference. It is immutable, meaning it cannot be changed after creation. We'll compare lists and tuples to know when to use each. As we explore these types, we will consistently use three key concepts: indexing to access a single item, slicing to access a range of items, and understanding mutability, the ability to change data, versus immutability, the inability to change data. You should learn these sequence types. They are the tools you will use to manage almost all the data in every program you write. We'll start right away with the most common sequence you already use: text. Join me in the next lecture for point 2. Create a string, where we'll dive into the world of text manipulation.